Alright, I'm going to show you this Modelones dip kit I received. Comes in this beautiful little tote bag that you can take with you. And we're going to take this out. And you have this beautiful little brush to dust everything off. And I have one like that, so I'm going to be using that, and I'll keep that. And then we have all three of this is the base, this is the activator, and this is the top. So we have all of those, and then look at these beautiful colors. This glitter, I have this, I have this color, we have this glitter white, so we have two glitters there. We have this regular white, and then this is the transparent, so this is going to be your base. And then you get a couple extra brushes. That's nice, in case you get your brushes dirty. And then you need to pay attention, so you've got instructions here, and it says the base is fast dry, so prepare the powder before application and quickly dip into the powder after finish applying the base. So you need to make sure you get all that taken care of. And then here is the full instruction sheet, how to do it. So this is a very nice kit that you can take with you if you're going on vacation or something. And want to make sure that you need a touch up on your nails or whatnot, then there you go. So and I am not real familiar with dip, so I'm going to leave these instructions out, but I'm going to just swatch them. Artificial nails, okay. Apply the base and dip. Then another base and dip. And then you do another base and dip. So three dips, and then activator is what it's saying. And then file and top coat. So let me see, is that third one the clear? Yeah. Oh, you put the clear on first and then color. Okay. So clear first, then color. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and get all these swatch sticks done in the clear, and I'll come back and then we'll do the colors. How about that? Okay? So I have my clear base on each, and I put base over again, and I'm just going to dip since it's swatch sticks. Now if I was working on a client, of course I would not do that, and I'm going to just go down the line and do each one, and then we'll go with the second coat. That's pretty. I like that. That way to give it a little time to dry. Because that's the way you would do your regular hand. And I'm trying to get them even. These glitters are very, very pretty. Okay, we'll start back at this one. That's nice. I don't know why they get those kind of bumps or divots there. Just have to smooth that out. Maybe it would be different if I poured the powder on rather than dipping it like this. And then I'll show you the final product. After I get all of the steps done. And if you're using the dip kit on yourself, of course, if you're going to be the only one using it, then you can just dip, you know, right in like this. But if you're going to be using on clients and you want to be sanitary, you do not want to do your product like this. That's why I did it on swatch sticks rather than myself. Okay, so I did the color twice. Powder, base, color, base, color. Now the activator. So ooh, that smells. See, that's getting my brush a little dirty, so I want to wipe my brush. Well, it's nice that they sent a couple of other brushes for that reason. For my taste, I might want a little more coverage with the glitter. I'll just have to wait and see the final product. But I may would have wanted to dip a few more times. You know, if I were doing my own nails, and then it would depend on what a client would prefer for their glitter coverage. Okay, so we've got the activator done. I don't really think we're going to need to do any filing. I'll grab a buffer and check this. We'll just buff them out a little bit. That one there on that side could have used a little filing. And you can do this, you know, with your e-file if you'd like, and you've got a fine band. Buff it out. File it up, however you choose. And now we're going to put the top on it. And see the beauty come to life. That's very nice. I like that. I like this too. This kind of mauve-y wine color. It's kind of a nudie. I like that too. This is a very pretty pale pink. All these are beautiful colors that mesh very well together. All of these, you know, would go beautifully together in a set. Yeah, with the white glitter, I would prefer more glitter coverage. I would have myself dipped a few more times to get a little bit better glitter coverage. But it's beautiful. And then the white. And so there we have it with the Modelones dip kit. Two-step it says. It was pretty easy to do. And so you can use it with your natural nails or tips. And I believe they have other colors. But I thought this was a really nice set. So, y'all have a wonderful day. Granny loves you. Stay true to yourselves and you'll be fabulous. Mwah.